Alright, welcome back to my channel. Here's your boy, Forex Noypi. Alright mga ka-Noypi, sa araw na to, ang ituturo ko sa inyo or ang isi-share ko sa inyo today is the types of trader. Ano-ano bang klaseng trader meron tayo? Pag nalaman nyo ito sa ganitong paraan, for a beginner, malalaman nyo ngayon kung anong klaseng trader ba talaga kayo and what kind of trader fits your personality. Stay tuned sa end of this video. I'm sure you will find out and figure out what kind of trader you want to be and how you can become more successful in knowing the type of trader you will be. So, to start off, ang iba't ibang klase ng trader ay depende to sa base ng personalidad meron tayo. Alam ko it's a bit ironic or it's a bit weird to think na ano bang klaseng trader ako or kayo, diba? Ngayon, depende kasi sa klase or sa gusto nyong ma-achieve whenever you set up your trades. Right? Kung anong klaseng trader kayo, dun nyo pwedeng malaman at diskubrihin pa kung ano-ano ang mga trading strategies na pwede nyong gamitin, na pwede nyong i-master, depende sa type of trader that you are. So first things first, the type of trader that you are going to be is going to depend on the type of emotions and emotional management you obtain. Okay? So ano-ano ba yon? Ganito kasi yan. Kita nyo itong mga candles na to? Right? These candles can represent the types of emotions you will get whenever you're trading. Okay? Magsimula tayo sa mga pinaka-intense na trader. Okay? The first type of trader I'm gonna talk about are the scalpers. Ano ba yung scalper? Forex Noypi. Ang scalper ay isang uri ng trader na magsiset up siya ng trade or papasok sa siya sa isang trade tapos mga ilang minutes lalabas na siya ulit. Iko-close siya na yung trade niya. It's a type of trader that gets in and gets out. Ito ang para sa opinion ko, this is the most intense type of trading. Why? Kasi pagpasok nyo pa lang sa trade nyo, automatic magne-negative yung price. Right? Kasi bawat isang broker, they charge a fee in a form of pips. Pakita ko sa inyo dito sa MT4 chart, makikita natin dito kung magkano ba ang charge ng market. So, ang ginagamit kong market or ginagamit kong broker, depende sa charge ng broker, ang ginagamit kong broker ay IC Markets. Okay? I'm on my demo account here at makikita natin dito kung magkano ang charge ng IC Market sa bawat isang trade. So, halimbawa, dito sa AUD, SUD or Australian Dollar, I'm on the daily chart. Ang charge nila, dito nagbabago to, depende sa galaw ng market. Pero hindi naman siya ganun kalaking pagbabago. Siguro mga 0.1 to 0.9 pips, ganyan. Maglalaro lang on that average. Kita nyo, di ba? Gumagalaw siya. Pero on the average, if you round it off on a whole number, ang charge niya 1 pip. Ibig sabihin, pag nagpasok ka ng trade, automatic, uunang kukuhanin ni broker sa'yo is yung 1 pip na yon. So, pag scalper ka, hindi ka gumagamit ng daily charts. Hindi ka rin gumagamit ng 4-hour chart. Madalas, pag scalper ka, gumagamit ka ng 5 minutes. Ito ang itsura ng 5-minute chart. Ibig sabihin, sa bawat isang chart or sa bawat isang candle, 5 minutes yan. So, magkano ba, or bawa itong candle na to, sisukatin natin, ilang pips ba tong candle na to? Ayan, makikita natin, itong candle na to is 5.7 pips. 5.7 pips yung nakalagay dyan. So, pag nag-trade ako, halimbawa, nag-buy ako dito. Right? Halimbawa, nag-buy ako dito sa part na to. Ayan, lagyan natin ng line. Automatic, kukuhanin niya yung 1 pip Yan. Mapupunta yung 150 yan sa broker. So, lalabas na negative 1 pip ka pagpasok ng trade mo. Right? So, kung scalper ka, papasok ka lang dito sa market na to, usually, minsan, 1 pip pa lang yung kinikita mo, out ka na. You're going to get quick profits if you're a scalper. Right? Mabilisan. Pasok, after 1 minute, 5 minutes, labas. Isang candle pa lang, labas na. Right? Ganon ang klase ng trading setup ng isang scalper. Right? Pag nasa 15-minute chart ka naman, ito 15-minute chart to, itong candle na to, titingnan natin, ang candle na to is about 10.3 pips or 10.3 pips. Scalper ka pa rin kung nandito ka sa 15-minute chart. Right? Kasi hindi ka naman, mabilisan pa rin naman yun, yung 15-minute chart. Right? Ngayon, kung nasa 30-minute chart ka na, pwede pa rin. Yeah, pwede ka pa rin maging scalper. In my opinion, 30-minute chart, usually, ay day trader ka na. That's our next type of trader. Right? Day trader, and how is it different from being a scalper? Scalpers kasi most of the time, when they trade, they don't use stop loss or take profits. Bakit? Balik tayo sa 5-minute chart. Right? So, sa panahong ito or sa explanation na to, gagamit ako ng isang indicator. Ang tinatawag doon ay APR. Or ang ibig sabihin nun is parang yung average ng pips bawat sa isang candle. Okay? So, ayan. So, ang ATR natin, or average true range, pag tinapat ko dito sa candle na to, nakikita ko yan. Dito sa kanan, makikita mo, 4 pips. Right? Kita mo rin dito, sa bandang kaliwa, or left side, makikita mo, the average on a 5-minute chart is 4 pips per candle. Right? Sa 15-minute chart, ang average niya ay 6 pips per candle. Sa 30-minute chart, makikita mo, ang average niya sa AUD-SUD is, or AUD-USD ay 10 pips. Sa 1-hour chart naman, makikita mo 12 pips ang average. Right? So, ito naman yung date range. Pag tinignan mo yung APR, ganun siya. Okay? Kiklear ko muna to para bumalik tayo. Okay? So, balik tayo sa pagiging scalper. Right? Bakit hindi naglalagay ng stop loss pag scalper ka? Right? Dito kasi, pag scalper ka, yung mata mo or your attention is always on the charts. Right? As in talagang dito ka makakakita ng scalper na nakaabang sa mga charts. Dito siguro makikita mo yung mga tao ganito. Ito medyo exage to pero marami kasi akong charts na opened. Siguro mga ayan, tanggalin natin to. Ayan. Siguro mga ganyan ang itsurahin ng mga scalpers. Makikita natin dito na marami kayong inaabangang setup. Kung naka 5 minutes yan lahat. 5 minutes natin to. 5 minutes natin to. Ayan. And so on and so forth. Right? So, ganyan. Balik tayo sa AUD-USD. Right. Pag naglagay ka kasi ng stop loss as a scalper, usually pagka nag-take tayo ng trade dito, diba? Tapos nakita natin sa ATR, ang average is 4 pips. So pagka yan, bawa dito, ayan, 4 pips. Ayan, ganyan. So dito sa part na to, yung 4 pips, yan. Usually, pag naglagay ka ng stop loss, may tendency na si market Kung halimbawa nag-buy ka dito sa part na to, right? Pag naglagay ka ng stop loss that is equivalent to your take profit, which is 4 pips, si market, pag bigla siyang bumaba or pag bigla siyang bumagsak dito, titirahin niya lang yung stop loss mo. Tapos, biglang aangat at i-hit naman bigla yung take profit mo. So para ka lang nagtapo ng pera. Parang ganun yung concept niya, which is the reason why majority of the expert traders are not using stop losses. Kung baguhan ka, ang suggestion ko, huwag ka munang maging scalper. Kasi baka ma-demotivate ka lang. The chances of you being demotivated as a trader is high. Take it from me, when I was starting my trading career, I originally started in becoming a scalper, right? Ang ginawa ko noon is nanood ako ng mga YouTube videos. I was more like banking on the strategies of being a scalper. Tapos nung dumami yung loss ko sa pera dahil because of that concept, I stopped being a scalper and I looked for a different strategic way in my trading career, right? And I don't want you guys to feel the same way, right? Kaya tayo nandito. That's why I'm your Forex boy, Forex Noypi, para ipakita ko sa inyo or may share ko sa inyo yung mga pinagdaanan ko noon in my trading journey. So make no mistake, don't result in becoming a scalper when you're a beginner. Aralin nyo muna ng mabuti. I suggest you go to a high level or higher time frame type of trader, which we will talk about later. Pero scalper, I will not recommend. Okay? Malaking X yan para sa akin. Right? Kasi pagka mataas yung risk nyo, tapos tinamaan bigla yung stop loss nyo as a scalper, and only how many pips are we talking about? 4 pips only or kahit 5, right? It's going to damage your emotions very, very much, right? So I will not suggest this for the time being. Alright, na tayo sa panibagong or sa susunod na type of trader. Next type of trader I will talk to you about is the day trader. Okay? Ano ba yung day trader? So if you're a day trader, by the word itself, ito yung mga klase ng traders na pumapasok sa market tapos usually within half of the day or within the day, nako-close na nila yung mga trades nila. Right? Kaya siya tinawag na day trader. Usually this is used when you are a trader that earns or uses trading for a living, right? Medyo high profile na rin tong mga taong to, yung mga day traders natin dyan. They usually stick to several strategies and several strategies alone, and they earn from it good enough to pay for bills. Ganun ang mga klase ng day traders. So, ano yung time frame na ginagamit natin when you're a day trader? So, usually, if you're a day trader, you start from very very minimal yung may day trader na gumagamit ng 30-minute chart. Mostly, it's 1 hour to 4 hours, right? Sometimes very minimal as well. You look at the daily charts, okay? But mostly, you're at 1 hour H1 or H4 charts, right? Bakit? Kasi sa isang 4-hour chart, right? Ang isang candle, balik tayo sa ating ATR, average through range. Ang isang candle ay sumaabot ng 21 pips sa ganitong forex pair, which is AUD USD, right? Makikita natin dito, tong candle na to, mahaba-haba siya, it's at 24 pips, right? So in 4 hours, which is, very long time, Para sa akin, as a day trader, you will already know if you are going to hit your target or not, right? Plus, kung depende kasi sa klase ng market na tinetrade nyo, mostly your stop loss and your take profit areas are usually below or above a market structure, right? Pag-aaralin din natin yan, yung market structure as you move along in seeing my videos. So, pero bibigyan ko kayo ng example ngayon, okay? A market structure is usually, and it is called the support and resistance. Okay? Magmamark tayo ngayon here. Uh, Nakikita nyo to, yung minamark ko. Okay? This is called the support. Bakit siya tinawag na support? Parang isipin nyo, imagine niyo ang unan. Right? Ito ang unan na sumusuport sa ulo nyo. Right? So, that's why it's called the support. So, bakit siya tinawag na support? Right? Kita nyo itong mali sa 4-hour chart. Zoom tayo ng konti. Right? Kung makikita nyo itong, oops, yan. Kung makikita nyo itong maliit na bar or maliit na candle na to, it's a wick. Right? Yan. May wick na yan na bar na to. Usually, when you see a bar like this, that means the price went all the way down here. Wait, yan. Zoom natin para mas kita nyo. Yan. The price went all the way down here. There. Tapos, yung mga buyers pushed the bar and sold or bought, which caused the price to move up here. Right? So, tumama kasi siya sa support. Most of the time, and it's not 100%, most of the time, when a price hits support, it bounces back up. Right? Ito kasi yung mga price marks na yung mga investors natin is waiting. Ibig sabihin, sobrang bagsak na yung price at this time that they tend to buy. It's already oversold, so the prices are low. They tend to buy, and which causes the market price to go up. Okay? Ngayon, pagdating naman sa taas at naging overbought na siya, that's what we call resistance. Right? So, balik tayo sa analogy ng unan. May support ka para sa ulo mo. Pag bumangon ka ngayon at maigsi ang headroom mo, yun naman ang tinatawag na resistance. Tumama ka na sa resistance at bababa ka na ulit. Right? Kaya pag nakita nyo, napansin nyo, when it hit support, tumaas, tapos bumaba ulit siya. Right? Tandaan nyo, here we are on the 4-hour chart. Okay? So, yun lang ang quick concept na ibibigay ko sa inyo for now about support and resistance. Bablank ko muna ulit tong chart natin. So, most of the traders, they set their take profits and stop loss marks above or below a market structure, which is support or resistance. Right? So, when they do that, dun natin malalaman within the day kung you will hit your target or you won't. Right? Halimbawa ngayon, nandito tayo ngayon sa resistance, 'di ba? Yung price na to at AUD USD, as we have established earlier, this is a resistance zone. Right? Ayan. This is a resistance zone. So, inaasahan natin, like what I said earlier, most of the time, when it hits the resistance zone, most of the time, not all the time, okay? It's most of the time, the price will tend to go down. Yan. So, kung gagawa ako at magte-trade ako as a day trader, right? As a day trader, magse-sell ako sa part na to. Yan. Pag tumama yan, magse-sell ako at i-expect ko yung market or yung price babagsak. Right? So, i-mark natin, ano ba? So, sabi mo, Forex Noypi, most of the time, your stop loss and your take profits are below or above price structures. Tama. So, identify natin ano ba yung mga price structures. So, eto, na-identify natin to kanina that it is a what? A support. Right? Mark lang natin siya. Support. Right? So, support to. Mark natin. Yan. Meron pa. Right? Dito sa taas, nakikita natin, nasa resistance zone tayo. Ito yung resistance. Right? Meron pa. Makikita nyo yung mga resistance zones. Yung mga bumagsak tapos biglang umangat. Ito, nag-attempt tong candle na to. Tingnan natin. Itong candle na to, nag-attempt bumaba. Bumaba dito at umakyat ulit siya doon. Right? So this could be a resistance zone. Right? Is it a strong resistance zone? Maybe not. Right? Maybe not. Okay? So kung magse-set up ako ng trade, ang magiging sell ko, ito, di ba? Magse-sell ako, nasa resistance ako kung magse-sell ako. Okay? Now this again talks about a lot of strategies which I really do not want to dive into right now. Ang stop loss ko or ang take profit ko, para sure ako makakakuha ko, I will set it before a resistance zone. Right? Ayan, kasi ito, resistance zone din to. Ayan. Yung mga dulo-dulo na yan ng wicks might be a resistance zone. So here, mamark ko siya ulit. Right? So kung gagawa ako at magte-trade ako ng sell, measure ko yung pips. Right? So here I see, ang target ko is 116.9 pips. 116.9 pips on a 4-hour chart. This is going to be my take profit. This price. Yan. Kukulayan ko lang siya ng palitan natin ng kulay. Gawin nating red. Ayan. Para kita nyo. So, ito yung take profit ko. Again, it's 116.9 pips. Ngayon, kung magsiset ako ng stop loss dito sa taas, which is my resistance, so this is my support, this is my resistance, iaangat ko siya ng konti. Bakit? Ba't ko siya iaangat ng konti? Kasi kung halimbawa, the price or the trade setup doesn't go within my favor, meron pa rin akong chance na pag tumama siya dito sa resistance zone na to, meron pa rin akong chance na bumagsak. Right? If that happens, and I might still get the trade, I want to take that chance. Right? Ngayon, ay nawala. Ayan, balik natin dito. Ilang pips ba to? So kanina, if we win the trade, we get 116. But if we lose, we only lose 97 pips. Right? So, sa mga ganitong pagkakataon, ito yung mga panahon na ang tinatawag natin is yung ratio ng win to loss ratio, right? So if I win, I get 116 pips. If I lose, I lose 97 pips, right? So you lose small, but you win big. Okay? So as a day trader, ito lang yung pakakaabangan nyo. Now remember, this is a 4-hour chart. Babalik tayo ngayon sa average true range natin, right? Ang average true range natin or ang ATR natin is 21 pips, right? Ang ang expected target natin as mentioned earlier is 116 pips, right? So 116 divided by 21 pips. Ideally, ganun kadami yung bars na iintayan natin bago tayo maka-profit or malaman kung it's heading the right direction or not, right? Most of the time, okay? Ibig sabihin kasi nito, average ng isang candle is only 21 pips. Okay? Remember, we are on the 4-hour chart, meaning 1 bar is equivalent to 4 hours. Right? So, kaya siya tinawag na day trading. Okay? Kasi within the day mo lang malalaman if you are going to take profit or are you gonna suffer from a stop loss. Okay? Alright, good. Kung may mga questions kayo guys, just put in the comments below at wag nyo na rin kakalimutan mag-subscribe and ring the notification bell para whenever I release a video, you will automatically be notified. Okay? Stay tuned in lang guys. This is the last type of trader that we are going to talk about. And that is the swing traders. Right? Most of the time, a swing trader uses the daily chart. Tayo dito. Blank muna natin to. The daily chart or the weekly chart. Right? Minsan, gamit sila ng monthly charts. Pero not most of our swing traders uses the monthly charts. Mostly daily. And I've met a few people or a few traders that uses the weekly chart. So let's talk about what swing trading is. Kaya siya tinawag na swing trading kasi um, you will still experience high probabilities of either you winning or going positive on your trade and going negative on your trade. Right? Dito sa type of swing trading, dito tayo madalas kumukuha ng trends. Right? Looking at this example, yung USD, AUD USD, at makikita natin na for the time being, dito, the trend is going down, right? For the time being, right? This is on a daily chart, right? Bumagsak pa siya ng todo-todo from here to here at almost 1,172 pips, right? Tapos, nung nahit niya na yung bottom, umangat na siya. Now, the buyers, the people realized that the price is already oversold and they started buying, right? Kung swing trader ka, makaka-experience ka ng mga ng bababa, tataas, bababa ulit, developing a lower low, tataas, but not as high as the previous one, tas bababa ulit. So, when we talk about swing traders, because one day of candles is a huge amount of pips. Dito sa example na to, pag tinignan natin yung ATR, it's 70 pips average per candle. Right? Pansin nyo kanina, sa scalper, 5 pips lang. Sa day trader, around 21, 24 pips sa price na to or sa Forex combination na to, AUD USD. Ngayon sa day trader, malaki na. 70 pips on a daily candle. Sa weekly candle, 198 pips. Right? Bago mo ma-achieve yun, bago mo ma-achieve yun, it will take days and sometimes a week or weeks before you hit your stop loss or your take profit values, right? So, yung mga swing traders dyan, ito yung mga mahaba yung pasensya. They place their trades and they forget about it and they look at it next day, exactly after 24 hours. Most of the day traders or the swing traders, um, they have an exponential amount of patience within them, right? I admire the swing traders because they stick to their strategies. Hindi nasisway ng price action yung emotions nila, right? Hindi nasisway ng price actions kung ano ba ang um, gusto nilang baguhin sa trade setup nila. It doesn't change a lot of times, right? So gusto natin, I prefer to become a swing trader. I'm a swing trader myself. And not that I'm being biased to all the swing traders out there. I admire the scalpers and the day traders as well. It's just that that's the type of trader that I am, right? I don't wanna dwell a lot with my emotions. Pag naglagay ako ng trade setup dito, if I enter a trade, I will wait patiently for my trade to either hit the stop loss or hit my take profit. Hindi naman sa wala akong pakialam, pero um, it's just the way that I am, right? Again, I'm talking to you guys about these types of traders, so you will identify the type of trader that you will be. Okay? So, quick recap lang tayo, mga Kanoypi. The first type of trader we talked about uses lower time frame charts, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Those are the scalpers, right? The day traders, they use 1 hour, 4-hour charts, and the swing trader uses daily time frames and weekly time frames, sometimes up to a monthly time frame. Okay? So anong klaseng trader ka? Anong klaseng trader ang gusto mo maging? Comment down below and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys all on our next video. Bye for now, mga Kanoypi.